Hi, my name is Ryan.
Hi, my name is Johnny.
My name is Ruben.
Hi, my name is Rbking.
Hi, my name is Ryan. You're watching G2G Family Farms.
Glory to God Family Farm.
You're now watching Glory to God Family Farms.
And you're watching Glory to God Family Farm.
And you're now watching G2G Farms.
Good morning, good morning. We out here on the urban farm. Ooh, that sun is bright coming up over there. Coming up from the east over there. See, this is what I'm saying. As it starts to get summer, what I notice is that, see how it's coming up right here. Normally, when it's winter, it comes up over here. So it definitely can feel the tilt because it's coming up right over this way. Anyway, good morning, Bentley. You ready to go out? You ready to go out? Ready to go party? All right, what I actually came out here for is to see what's going on with this one. So definitely she's using it for a litter box. So we're gonna take this out and remove it and put it back when she's ready. Yes, you're not ready and your bowl is empty. Yes, you're not ready, your bowl is empty. Yeah, we're gonna take that out. So she's not ready. We put it out here a couple days early. Because I was seeing in a bunch of our groups, other people's rabbits that are due at the same time she's due, they were already putting their nesting box out, and some of them had their babies early, so I didn't want her to have her babies before we were ready for her to, or just not prepared. So we'll take the nest box out, and I actually will put it in another area. I'm gonna pull it out and see if she's pulled any hair or anything like that, and then go from there. And then Ninja Kingman, he ready to get pet too. Yes, he is. He's ready to get petted too. Good morning. Y'all ready for y'all food, huh? Yes, right. It's time for feed. Yeah. And then this is the Coco. Yes, she was our meanie, but now she's so nice. Yes, she is. She's ready for food too. You ready for food? You ready for food? Okay. All right, we're gonna get y'all fed, get y'all waters filled up here. And we'll see. We'll see. So she's using it as a snack box right now. But yeah, I see some pellets in there. A couple pellets. All right, so let's check on our plants. Oh yeah, they're going like crazy. This lettuce just bloomed overnight. Crazy. All right. Yeah, they are blooming like crazy. Let's check on the kids. Their plants, yeah, they're growing. They're growing. We did these about 2 weeks ago now, on the 24th. Today is the 10th, or the 11th actually. So February had 29 days in the month. So yeah, everybody's stuff is starting to sprout. I hope they see it. They all actually on spring break, so we'll start getting that raised bed over there ready. And yeah, what we got over here? Basil, some onions. So I'm noticing with the onions, they curl over before they pop up. And we got the dwarf kale. The rabbits should love this. They actually have their own, some more basil over here. They actually have their own, this is all the rabbit stuff, but it's not sprouting up that well. So, all right, let's go to the hydroponics. Hydroponics and the, raised bed gardens. So let's see if there's any change. I don't even know if they're being watered. This is all supposed to be, what is this? Potatoes. So yeah, we got some potatoes sprouting down here. Got some potatoes sprouting up here as well. So I don't know if my wife knows that her potatoes are sprouting. Gotta go let her know. Some of the carrots are doing pretty good. Some are starting to, but again, I can't. Yeah, that's pretty dry. So we're gonna get it watered up. Some of the kale. Some the okras are coming up. Tomatoes are even starting to dry. Some of the beets are coming back. She got some of her dill starting to sprout up. We got some of the chives starting to sprout too. I got one sage over there that's trying to come up. And then of course this basil. Basil is like the champion. Basil and kale are like the two that we got going on over here. So I know I keep saying I need to check the water on these, because some of the stuff that got over here is growing. A lot of this stuff is actually growing. The arugula is doing pretty well. Got some lettuce. This is starting to go into the other pods. It's starting to stick over there. But yeah, a lot of our lettuces is going good. Arugula, kale. Got some more lettuce over here. One of the mustards is growing. And yeah, it's doing pretty good down here. Doing pretty good. Gotta make sure it's nothing getting drowned or nothing that's falling under. Yeah, these boys is growing. The collards, romaine lettuce, basil. One of the basils is dying. So what I need to do is make sure that we getting water. I know we had a stoppage, so it's always good. Like, see, my line is turning green here, so I need to check for algae. Put some chlorine probably in the system. Anything growing over here? She got one potato that's still trying to do something, but it's not getting watered, so it's not gonna do anything. Hey, Mr. Owl, you ain't protecting nothing, huh? So yeah, I'll show you what we did yesterday. Let me rotate this compost. See if that will help us at all. I know it's full in there, and I'm not sure if they even put any liquid in it. But it's our little rotating compost. It sounds pretty dry, so we probably need to supposed to rotate that. All right. Need to still find my cover for my smoker. Pick up all this hay. So I think what we're gonna do is take the hay, put it in some containers, and put it over here. All right. So we got our turf done almost a year now, and so we had some extras that they left us. So we went ahead and put it in front of the kids' play area. So yeah, I had to go to work yesterday. Kind of sick today. I had to go to work yesterday. So I left them to it. I'm trying to see if we can repurpose these pallets. We get a lot of free pallets, so I'm trying to see if we can repurpose the pallets to build our rabbitry with. So I kind of got a theory that I want to try, but then again, I was adding up the cost yesterday, trying to see what's cost effective. If it's more cost effective to just use some wire and build my own, use some wire. I put this, y'all can see, shade cloth for the rabbits there, because when the sun do come up, it is like a direct shot there. But yeah, I want to see if I can reuse these for something, and we'll see. I just ordered some new blades for my saw, because we were cutting up Honey's nesting box, and that blade was so dull, made the wood mess up, so I see some uneven things on there. Alright, so yeah, she's in there right now, so I don't know. I don't know. So yeah, let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and get them fed, move her nest box over, and start the rest of our day. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in this morning. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll keep y'all updated. Honey is stomping because she wants food. So